Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So as we all know, it's summer vacation time and I always say don't waste your time, invest your time. So now it's time to utilize the summer vacation time properly. According to me, what you can do during this time is you should go for internships. Whether you are in first year, second year or third year. See, if you are in first year, it's optional for you guys, you can go for these things, but it's mandatory for you if you are in second year or third year. Right? Because if you are in final year, then definitely you are going for placements now, right? Because internships are definitely going to add value to your resume and help you to stand out from the crowd and definitely help you to get a good job, right? But now the problem is how to get these internships, how to apply, from where to apply, how to search. Because some colleges are good, their companies usually come in second year, in fourth year, in starting of the fourth year to interview students for internships, right? And in third year as well, companies come to interview students for internships. But in tier 3 colleges or private universities, these are not so good and this type of scenario is not there, right? So those students will have to apply for internship at their own, right? They have to search whether it's online or offline internship. So now how to apply, from where to apply, what are the steps, what are some resources or websites that you can get these internships, or you can say job simulations as well, right? That thing we'll discuss in this video, as well as I'll tell you one Government of India internship. For that you can apply, whether you are in CS student or not, right? You can apply for that. So all these things we'll see in this video. So as I have told you, it's time to make most of your summers, and since long we have been hearing these news, layoff, recession, but now companies are slowly rising back to the level and they are hiring again. So ultimate goal is getting placed, but for that you have to be best in this competitive market. So it's time to practice, upskill and getting placed. GFG कर लो, हो जाएगा. And GFG stands for Geeks for Geeks. So Geeks for Geeks practice is a platform where you will find articles that are free of cost, courses and skills that you can develop to have an edge over others. And if you find it difficult to develop a habit of coding every day, then you can be more consistent coder by solving one question every day at their problem of the day portal, and just stand a chance to win exciting prizes. And these questions will cover different topics of DSA, and you have just 24 hours to complete the challenge. And after solving one problem, you can earn 1 geek bit. And if you solve the problem for 8 consecutive days, you will get 8 additional extra geek bits. And to redeem prizes, you must have 50 geek bits. And what you can earn? GFG merchandise, special discount on GFG courses, annual GFG premium subscription, winter interview preparation live. So go and start practicing and upgrade your skills or develop new skills which are currently high in demand through GFG courses. There you will get all the courses from data science to DSA. You can choose any one of the course and master any skill and make yourself job ready. And now you can join your dream job through their job portal called Get Hired, where you can directly apply for any tech profile jobs without any cost. You can go through the job description, and if you feel right for the job, you can just send your application. Or you can be a part of their recurring hiring challenge, that is Jobathon, to land a dream job. So all the relevant link you will find in the description box of this video. You can go and check out. Okay, now let's discuss how to apply for those internships online as well as offline. See, startups, I would recommend go for startups because startups are hiring more interns rather than a well-reputed company, right? So how you can search for these things? One is those, you can search for those Shark Tank startups. Season 3 was the recent one. So Shark Tank startups or companies that got funded recently. So there are more chances that they are maybe hiring, or they are hiring interns, or there is a job opportunity. So you can apply for those. How to search? In Google, just search this thing. So you will search Shark Tank Season 3 funded companies, because this Season 3 was the recent one. That is why I am saying this. And you just click on this link and there you will get these companies, right? The list of these companies. You just click on like the first one, Canva Loop. So just click on this and it got investment here, 2 crore investment. You just visit the website of this company and there you will get if there is any internship or any job offering. So there we have, see, the job section. You can click, and if there is any recent job, you can apply. You can view the job and you can apply for this thing if you feel that this is good for you, right? Like this. Or from here you can just find out their contact details, maybe the email ID or anything, and you can just send the cold emails. Or one thing you can do is you can just go to your LinkedIn profile and just search here that company, Kenvalu, right? And you can, this is that company which is in Surat, Gujarat, and you just click on this company and you can see if there are any posts about interns or any hiring about the jobs, or you can search, you can click on people and see these are working here. So you can directly reach out to these people. You have to search about the things like what the company is doing, what are the competitors of these companies, and how you can help to grow this company, how you can add value to this company. You have to, proper send a email or this type of message that will show that, yeah, you are good for their company, right? So rather than, sending Facebook requests or Instagram messages or these things, silly things, go for this thing, right? Second thing, what you can do is, there are Forage internship. There is a website, forage.com. If you search in Google Forage internship, then you will get here. So these companies provide job simulations here. See, job simulations. If you want to know how this task is to be done at that company, then they'll provide you the simulation. And it's like 3 to 4 hour task. You can complete this within 1 day also. It's self-paced task. Whenever you complete the task, you will get a certificate also. You can showcase that certificate in your resume, and you can also showcase that certificate in your LinkedIn profile. So that will definitely add value to your resume. You can click on this explore button. Here you can just explore these job simulations, right? And once you click on that, these are the companies and in which you want to do the task. So you can just filter out your career interest in which you are interested. Suppose you are interested in maybe engineering or some other thing, or a specific company. According to specific company also you can filter out, right? Or let's filter this according to software engineering, like in JP Morgan, you have one job simulation. So there, what you have to do here, you will be given some task. See, task 1, task 2, you will be given some task, right? And you have to complete these tasks, task 3, task 4. You are supposed to complete these tasks and submit, right? And then after completion, you will get a certificate. So you can complete these tasks within 1 day also, right? See, as you can see here, you can just complete this work 5 to 6 hours, and this is self-paced. So to get these job simulation, you have to register for here, register for Forage. And so first of all, you have to register here. Then you will get video instructions from the actual employees of that company, right? And some resources also just to help you to complete your task, right? According to that, now you will complete your task and compare your task with the model example from the company. They'll give you some model example. You will compare your task with that. And then after that, after completing, you will earn a certificate, and you can just add that certificate to your CV, or you can just showcase that certificate on LinkedIn. So this is, I guess, one of those best online internships. And one thing is, these are self-paced. So you can do as much as you can. You can just get some experience how these tasks are actually getting, completed in that company. Right, you are not going to that company actually, but this is like simulation task for you guys. You will have definitely that experience, and that will give you an edge over others. Now, one thing is, what other website is what? Internshala. But how to apply from there? There's a website called internshala.com. Just search Internshala on Google and you will get that website. And there you have an option of internships, right? By location also, if you want to work from home or in any particular location, you can apply. Suppose I am checking in Delhi. So there you can apply the filters. What kind of internship you want? Suppose I want internship in computer science. In computer science. So you can apply the filter, computer science internship, and the location is Delhi. According to that, you will get here internships, right? See. Some are paying, some are not paying. So this company's stipend is 20,000 per month, right? So let's just search out this internship, and you can just here check out what you have to do, the responsibility for this internship. Now, how to apply for this? See, please read out all these things. And one thing what you can do is, now what you have to do is, before applying for this internship, just search for this company on LinkedIn, and there you will get this, the Delhi based company, right? Just click on this, and here you will get the post, whatever there, any new post or anything, jobs, or here you will get anything like, one best thing is go for people in this tab, and see, you will get here, see, business analyst intern, this Krish Pathak as intern here. So you can just check out this profile, and yeah, it is currently working here from March 24 to here. So you can just reach out this one, like Krish Pathak, just send a message, and you can just get the idea like how he has applied for this thing, what he has to do here, and everything about this one. And after that, you can also reach out this company. You can send the mail to the maybe the HR, right? So like this, rather than applying directly from there, search a little bit about that company, the competitor of this company. If you got any HR, or see Ruchika Words, the manager, you got here. You can reach out Ruchika Words here. You can send here a message like how you can add, what you want to do here, how you can add value to their company, right? But for that you have to do some research, what this company is actually doing, the competitor of this company, and what are your skills, how your skills can add something great to this company to help this company to grow, right? So yeah, you have to work a little bit smart and hard for that, right? So like this, if you search here, and it's not like that just apply for 1 or 2 companies, or just reach out 1 or 2 people or 3 people, and if you're not getting any reply, that's it. Means reaching out people or applying internship like this is of no use. No, you have to apply at least for 50 to 100 companies, right? 50 to 100 or maybe 200, you have to reach out almost 100 people, right? Or 200 people. You have to send cold emails, cold messages, or on LinkedIn, and definitely you will get reply of at least 5 to 10 from at least 5 to 10 people or 5 to 10 companies, definitely, right? So this is the right way. It's not like that just see this and apply from here. No, find out those people who are working there. Try to find out if there is any intern, that how he or she has applied for that thing, what to do to apply here, or from there you can apply if you want to apply for work from or part-time internship, that also you can apply, right? One more is Your Story, yourstory.com. So if you search for Your Story dash companies, then you will get here company listing, and see, if you want to search any specific company, you can search for that, or there you will get the list of companies. These are recently added, the technology related companies or SaaS companies, e-commerce, fintech, where you want to apply, you can just go for that company. These are recently added. So let's click this Harley. So here you will get about this company. Number of employees are 151 to 250. Okay, it's B2C company, and see, you will get that LinkedIn profile also. CEO, LinkedIn of CEO. So you can just reach out directly to this Suresh Nayak. If there is anything, you can get to know. Or maybe from the SaaS company, suppose let's take this iScript. This company, from there you get the company detail, and you will get the LinkedIn profile of the founder. You can directly reach out to the founder. And yeah, see, they are showing that they are hiring, right? So it's good. You can just check out their post, recent post about any hiring or internship. You can apply for that, or you can just send a message. They are hiring like senior Linux server administrator 3 months ago on site, and this is also on site. So like this you can check out, but so obviously for that you have to devote your time. So like this you have to at least apply to 50 to 100 for companies, or you have to send these cold emails or messages, or reach out people on LinkedIn, right? And that Government of India internship that I was talking about is that Niti Aayog internship. That is definitely help you in standing out from the crowd. Just go to that Niti Aayog website, and there, or you can search directly Niti Aayog internship, and you will get the first link here, the internship, right? See, you can apply for this from 1 to 10 of every month. So it's 1st June, you can apply till 10th of June. Apply here, click here. First, just read some guidelines. To apply for this, there you will get the eligibility criteria. Those who can apply, undergraduate students, you know, those they have given exam of 2nd year or they are given so 4th semester of your bachelor degree, and you just have to, you need to secure 85% at least in 12th, right? And graduate students also can apply here. But one thing you need to take care is the period between the month of declaration of the result of final exam and the desired month of internship should not exceed 6 months. It's not like that you have, like I have completed my BTech in 22 and now I'm going to apply for this internship. No, the gap should be maximum 6 months. Like if the result is declared in the month of June, then you can apply for the internship beginning till the month of December. You have only 6 months to apply. So first read out these guidelines, and then the instructions are also there to fill this form, right? And then apply online. Just click here and just apply from here. Just, you know, upload your information, fill out these things and just preview. After previewing, you can submit. So it's the right time. See, desired month of internship. I'm applying in 6 here, June. Suppose here it's June. Then desired month of internship is from August, 8, 9, 10. So from there you can select your month, right? And area of interest also you can select. In these areas they are providing internships, right? You can select whatever area in which you are interested, right? So this one is, I guess, good one. You should apply for this. So now that's for this video. In this video we have talked about those websites from where you can apply for online and offline internship, like Forest Internship, forest.com. When you have Internshala, Your Story, plus you have those Shark Tank funded companies, startups, right? And one I have told you that Niti Aayog internship. So now I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.